Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable navigation bar gesture hint on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now this bar at the bottom here is the gesture hint, so we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide it. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on displayed. Then we go down and tap on navigation bar. Next, in here, tap on swipe gestures and then tap on gesture hint to hide. So you can see if I turn off gesture hint, it will hide that bar there. I still can use it, it's just that it won't show the bar right there at all. Okay, so I can go back in here and turn it back on, and this will show the gestures hint at the bottom here. And that's how you can turn on or turn off the navigation bar gesture hint on the Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.